How to change your name on X. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to change your name on X. So now without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open the X app on your phone and make sure that you're logged in with your account. And here, once you're inside the app, simply tap on the profile icon in the top left corner of the screen. And after that, a pop-up menu will appear. From that menu, simply tap on your profile icon again. And here, once you are on your profile page, simply tap on Edit Profile button. And here, you will see your current display name. So simply tap on that and change it to whatever you like. And once you're done with that, simply tap on Save at the top right corner of the screen. And once you do that, you have successfully changed your name on X. And with this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.